Hey everybody, and welcome to Network Maintenance Live. I am Dustin Rayberg, host of the Sysadmin Show, and this is a YouTube live stream hosted every Tuesday night, focused around short videos covering best practices, tips, tricks, and everything relating to updating your IT infrastructure. Well, today I'm going to talk about testing. Just completed a couple hours of network maintenance tonight, and it didn't all go as planned, so we'll get into that in just a minute. Uh, when you are doing upgrades, you want to first consider creating a baseline test. So that means you want to test your servers, your switches, your network, your applications, whatever it is you're doing, before you do the upgrades. You want to understand how your environment is functioning now so that after you complete the test, you can make sure that it's functioning that way still, right? So that nothing is diminished after the test. So plan on doing baseline testing before you do the maintenance. Once the maintenance is complete, then go ahead and complete your post-maintenance testing. So go ahead and do that same testing cycle again and find out if everything is still working as expected. Now, one thing you do want to have in place is a failback plan. If things do not go as expected, how are you going to return to a working state? Are you going to restore from a backup? Are you going to restore files? Are you going to restore entire VM? Are you going to, downgrade a firmware version? How's this going to work? Is there a backup hardware if hardware is damaged in some way? That all needs to be part of the failback plan, and understand how long it's going to take and what the process is in case you need to undo the changes. And then finally, don't rush the schedule. Right? Testing is here to protect production. You want to make sure that when you're going through your testing cycle, you're actually not just testing to go through the motions, but you're really testing to say, is this change production ready? Do I really want to make this change, or should I push it off? And just recently, as part of some changes here that I was doing as part of my network maintenance window, did an hour of testing earlier and then 2 or 3 hours of testing here tonight, and it's not going well. It didn't work out. So ultimately, we are going to push the production schedule out in order to make room for more testing so that we can get this thing done right. I want to make sure that I'm doing testing to protect my production window and make sure that I'm not having any more downtime than necessary for my users. And that's what testing is all about. And that's our responsibility as system administrators and network infrastructure admins. So that's what I have to say about testing. I hope it was helpful. I want to hear from you guys. Any comments, questions, you can leave them in the comments below or shoot me emails, dustin@sysadminshow.com. And until next time, I encourage you to never stop learning.